SlowCast English, Episode 39, Learning Something New.
What are you doing?
I'm learning guitar.
Oh, nice. Is it hard?
Yeah, kind of.
But fun?
Yes, actually very fun.
How often do you practice?
Every evening.
That's great.
My fingers hurt though.
That's normal.
I hope I improve soon.
You will. Just keep going.
Thanks for the support.
Anytime.
Introduction to this podcast. Learning guitar. A supportive conversation. Paul and Mia discuss Mia's journey learning guitar. Mia finds it challenging but enjoyable, practicing every evening despite her sore fingers. Paul reassures her that the discomfort is normal and encourages her to keep practicing, offering support and motivation.
Thank you for your study. See you next time.